Today's topic is password managers made simple. So, in today's session, we'll learn what a password manager is, examples of Apple, Google, and NordPass, how they work, and a step-by-step setup example. So, oh, I just closed the screen. A password manager is a secure digital vault that safely stores your usernames and passwords. It can automatically fill them in for you when you sign in, so you don't have to remember or type them in each time. Think of it like a locked notebook that only you can open, keeping all your passwords safe in one place. Common password managers: Apple Passwords, iCloud Keychain, Google Password Manager, and NordPass. Many devices already include password managers, and others, like NordPass, work across many devices. Apple Passwords, iCloud Keychain. It's built into the iPhone, iPad, Mac, so any Apple device. Uses Face ID or Touch ID, syncs across Apple devices. If you use Apple devices, you may already be using a password manager without realizing it. How to set up Apple Passwords. Step 1, turn on iCloud Keychain. This is for iPhones and iPads. So you open the settings, tap your name at the top of the tab. So you tap your name, which is the Apple ID, tap iCloud, Passwords and Keychain, and then turn on Sync this iPhone, and then turn on iCloud Keychain. This activates Apple's built-in password manager, so your passwords can securely sync across your Apple devices. Step 2, make sure autofill is on. Firstly, go to Settings, then tap Passwords. Tap Password Options, turn on Autofill Passwords, make sure iCloud Passwords is selected. Autofill allows Apple to suggest and fill in saved passwords when you log into apps or websites. How to set up Apple Passwords. Step 4 would be to use autofill. So you go to a login page, you tap the username field, and then it automatically selects the suggested password based on your username you put in for that website. And then you can use Face ID or Touch ID to confirm it. Apple automatically suggests your saved login, so you just tap it and authenticate it. Step 5, view or edit saved passwords. So you go into your settings, tap passwords, use Face ID/Touch ID, and then select a website to view, edit, or delete. And you can manage all your passwords that are saved anytime from this section. Google Password Manager. So it's built into Android and Chrome devices. It syncs with your Google account and it's free to use. Google Password Manager works automatically if you use Chrome or Androids. How to set it up. Step 1 is to turn on Google Password Manager. So you open the settings, tap on Google, tap Manage your Google account, Security, scroll down to Password Manager, and then make sure it's enabled, so make sure it's turned on. And then Google Password Manager works automatically when signed into your Google account. Step 2, turn on in Chrome computer. So you open Google Chrome. So you use Google Chrome to do that. Click the 3 dots in the top right corner. Click Settings, click Autofill and Passwords, Google Password Manager, and turn on to save passwords. This then allows Chrome to ask if you want to save passwords when you log in. So it'll do a little pop-up and you can select whether you want to save your password or not now. Step 3, save a password. So you log into a website, Chrome will ask if you want to save it. If you do want to save it, you press save, and then once it's saved, Google will remember it across devices as long as you're signed into your Google account. How to set up Google Password Manager. So you go to a login page, tap the username field, select the saved login information, and then confirm it if you need to. And then Google automatically fills in your saved password based on your username that you've put in and the website you're using. View or manage passwords. So on Android, you go to Settings, then Google, and then press Password Manager. On Chrome, you type in the URL passwords.google.com, and from there you can edit, delete, or check for your passwords anytime. NordPass Works on iPhone, Android, Windows, and Mac. There are both free and paid versions, but it's also simple and beginner friendly. It's a good example because it works across many devices and is easy to set up. Setting up NordPass. So you go to the Apple Store, App Store if you're on an Apple phone, Google Play if you're on an Android, or the NordPass website. You search for NordPass, and then from there you can download the app. And then you should always download password managers from the official app stores or the official websites. Creating an account. So you open NordPass, type sign in, and then enter your email address and choose your own password. Your email helps recover access if needed. So if you ever forget your password, your email is where you will be able to reset your password to sign back in. Create your master password. One password you must remember. Make it long and strong. Do not share it with anyone. This is the only password you need to remember. NordPass cannot see or recover it for you. Confirm and secure your account. Confirm your password. Enable Face ID or fingerprint is optional. You don't need to do that. And then turn on security settings. Biometrics make logging in easier while keeping your vault secure. Add your first password. So step 5 is add your first password. So you tap add password, enter the website, username and password, and then save it. You can add passwords manually or let NordPass save them automatically when you log in. Tap generate password, long and random, save instantly. Password managers create passwords that are much stronger than ones people usually make. So if you're using a password manager, you can allow the manager to generate its own password for you because you don't actually have to remember the password. It's automatically remembered for you. So it doesn't need to be memorable information or something you need to write down. Sync across devices. Sign in on phone, tablet, or computer. Passwords sync automatically. It's the same vault anywhere. Once it's set up, you don't need to re-enter passwords on every device. Syncing explained. Syncing means your information updates and matches across all your devices automatically. For example, if you save a password on your phone, it will also appear on your tablet or computer. This is helpful because you don't have to enter the same information multiple times and everything stays up to date everywhere you sign in. What if you forget your master password? If you forget your master password, it usually cannot be recovered. You would need to reset your account and your previously saved passwords may be erased. This strict security protects your privacy and keeps others from accessing your vault, but it's very important to choose a master password you can remember and store it safely. Pros and cons. The pros: creates strong passwords, remembers passwords for you, reduces the risk of hacking, saves time when logging on. And then the cons: you must remember one master password, learning curve for beginners, and then if your master password is lost, recovery may be difficult. Apple v Google v NordPass. So Apple passwords, it's free. It's best for Apple users using like iPhones, iPads, or Mac computers. It's automatically built into devices, and it's easy and automatic. NordPass, there's a free version available. Premium is $2 to $4 a month in US or 3 to 5 in Canadian. It's best for mixed device users, so if you have Apple devices and Windows and Android phones as well, all on the same one, you can save your passwords across multiple devices that way. And it's got more advanced features. Google Password Manager, it's free, it's best for Android and Chrome users, works across Google account devices, and it's simple and automatic. Is this safe? Yes, because end-to-end encryption, even NordPass can't see your data and it's trusted by millions. Password managers are safer than writing passwords down or reusing weak ones.